My name is Josh, and I am broker and owner of my company in the property management industry, and I give MightyCall a 10 out of a 10. MightyCall allows us to easily screen and route our calls. Anything that comes in, we can even have VIP access, so certain calls go directly to the person that we need them to go to, and they don't have to go through the menu. The call flow chart is super easy to use. It works great for us. MightyCall has tons of great features. It's very user friendly and support is awesome. What I like least about MightyCall is its ability to connect to other apps and CRMs through Zapier. It's super limited. There is a possibility to connect, but there's just not much there. Also, automated text replies are another thing it's missing. I'd highly recommend MightyCall. It's a great phone system that won't let you down.